Hello everybody and welcome back to the 4th day of Nailmas. Make sure you please like and subscribe for more videos. In today's tutorial we are going to do a little gnome, like a Santa gnome I guess you could say. I'm going to start with a dark blue and light blue, and I'm going to use my 7mm detailer brush, and I'm going to start with the dark blue and use it to draw out my gnome hat. And once I'm done that, I'm going to actually use the lighter blue and fill in the hat, kind of creating a little bit of a color variant. And then I will re-outline my hat again using the dark blue. When I am happy with that, I will cure it in my lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, now that that is cured, I'm going to take some tan or nude gel polish, and I'm also going to take a little bit of red, and I'm going to create his nose, and I'm just going to do a little oval, and I'm going to blend a little bit of the red into it to make it look like his nose is a little frosty from the cold. And once I am happy with that, I will cure it for 30 seconds in my lamp. And now that that is cured, I'm actually going to take a little bit of builder gel and a dotting tool, and I'm going to do a little bit just over his nose to give it a little bit of a 3D look, so that it's not too high up off the nail, but it gives a little bit of dimension. And then I will also cure that for 60 seconds because it is builder gel. And now that that is cured, I'm going to go over the entire nail in matte top coat and cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So I'm just wiping that with acetone to remove the sticky layer, and now I'm going in with this light gray color called Town Car, and I'm going to fill in the entire bottom to represent his beard. And then I will also dip into some white and add some snow to the upper portion of the nail. And when I am done that, I'm going to sugar it with just a plain matte powder, and then I will cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, now that that is cured, I am just brushing off the excess with a stiff brush and also wiping it as well. I'm now going to take some black gel paint and I'm going to outline the nose. Right here, I'm loading my brush. I'm going to outline the nose and the little sort of eye gap between the hat and the beard. And I'm also going to add like the mustache portion and a couple of markings to his beard, and then I will cure that and wipe the black with some cleanser to remove the tacky layer. I also forgot, before I cured the black, I am actually going over his nose, just his nose, with some no wipe top coat to make it look shiny. So here I have Ss3 AB crystals, and I also have some silver caviar. And to attach them, I'm actually using some of the no wipe top coat and my little brush here. So now that I've cured that, I'm going to just randomly place them, and these are actually going to represent like bigger snowflakes. So what I do is I just put a little bit of the gel on the nail. I'm placing stones where I have the gel, and then on the sort of like north, south, east, west points of the stones, I'm placing a single bead of silver caviar to make it look like a little snowflake, and then I will cure it and we will be finished. Alright, so there it is, all finished. I don't know if you guys could tell, I have the similar one on my nail, actually in pink. I loved this so much, I wanted to recreate it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all stay tuned and stay jazzy. Oh, and if anybody's wondering about my pinky finger, I violently injured it. I will touch on that in another video. Ta-ta!